Hi, I'm Chen-Xuan. The project I program is an item locator. Have you found yourself forgetting where you put your items? That was what I was inspired by to make this project. This item locator is an inventory of your items and their locations. It is better suited for items you rarely use and easily forget, like items used during vacations, such as jackets, thick socks, gloves, and so on. After launching the program, you will be in the main folder, which is currently empty. To create an item location, right-click and you will be prompted to choose to create an item, location, or view all items. Viewing all items would print the full list of items that you have keyed into the program. This will assist you if you have forgotten the exact lettering of the object you have keyed into the program and want to search for it. The second option, creating locations. Locations are just like folders in File Explorer because the interface was inspired by File Explorer. They can contain locations and items. So let's create a location. I'll just call it home as an example. The process for creating items is the same. Clicking on the icon will bring us into the location, as you can see on the top bar. It writes out the location of the location you are in. Right now, it means that home is in main folder, which you are in. To go back, you can click the back button. That leads you to the location it is in. If you right-click the location icon, several options will pop up like renaming, deleting, changing image, viewing info, and viewing. Most are self-explanatory. To create an item, it is the same as a location. Just right-click, enter its name in the input box, and hit enter. If you notice, when you create a name that's too long, the program automatically scales it down so it fits in the box. It simply uses Pygame's smooth scale function to do that. The right-click options are the same as the locations, except less. It just lacks the view info function, as you can just click the icon to view the image. Just in case you have too many things, there's a scroll function where you can simply scroll up or down to view items above or below. Now to the most important part of the program, that button there. For an example, I've used the program to store the location of our holiday items. Let's say I forgot where we stored our luggage. I can simply do this. Then I can see where the luggage is by viewing the top bar. So since it says that, I can quickly tell it's stored in the house storeroom. Once you're done placing your items, you can just close the Pygame window and it will have saved your items in a .pickle file. At the end,